AMC stock tanked more than 50% today, and a lot of people are wondering if you should buy more, if you should sell, what the go-to play is. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down what exactly happened, what AMC stock is even all about, and if you should consider buying. My name is Radies, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, and please get me to 2,000 subscribers. Also, down below, there's a free Discord channel that you can join to talk about stocks, investing, real estate, all sorts. So let's talk about AMC. If you guys aren't already aware, AMC is a cinema company. They pretty much own theaters all across America. If you are Canadian, think of it as the American Cineplex. And now you see, today, it literally dropped by 56%. At the time I'm recording this, it actually closed at market at $8.68. Again, earlier today, literally, it was at $16. Another thing to note is after hours, the stock is currently at $9.30. Again, at the time I'm recording this, it may have changed a bit slightly. One thing to note is, why did the stock go up? The stock went up due to the fact that Reddit continuously kept pumping it due to it being shorted. Again, I've made so many videos on the whole short squeeze concept. I'm not going to go over it again, but pretty much we're seeing another short squeeze. Not only that, the reason why I believe AMC really crashed down today is because of the complete utter nonsense going on with Robinhood, Webull, the banks, and all these major institutions. Pretty much, if you aren't already aware, AMC, GameStop, a bunch of these other companies were actually unable to be traded. They were only able to be sold, which is completely unfair. This is a clear form of market manipulation, and I've already made a video on Robinhood, pretty much just screwing over everyone. But a lot of the big banks and a lot of the different platforms and brokerages followed their footsteps and really did not allow people to buy certain stocks. It's interesting because you were able to sell certain stocks, but you weren't able to buy them. So what does that mean? Well, obviously, in the case of AMC, a lot of people were looking to buy into the stock, but they literally couldn't. And obviously, if no one's able to buy the stock and people are only holding or selling, what do you think is going to happen? Obviously, the stock is going to go down in price. And again, this is very unfair, but this is pretty much why I believe AMC didn't actually hit whatever price targets it went to. Like, this stock could have easily potentially hit like $25 today if it was able to be bought. And again, not only did trading also get halted for AMC, it completely got like finished. Like, you literally could not buy the stock even if you wanted to. Again, with that being said, AMC, is it a buy? In my opinion, like, all these traders, whether they're on Robinhood, whatever they're on, if they're like Reddit members, if they're part of wallstreetbets, or whoever they are, I'm pretty sure people are going to be out for revenge, and I'm pretty sure whenever you can trade these stocks again, people are going to try and pump them up again. Because think about it, literally the big hedge fund managers and whatever, they literally just said, hey little guy, guess what? You're not allowed to trade this anymore. That doesn't make sense. Obviously, don't you think eventually people are going to be allowed to trade these stocks again? Yeah, and what do you think is going to happen? Well, probably people are going to say, okay, you know what? I'm going to buy this and pump it up. This is revenge. This is like a big middle finger to the big banks. Or not even the banks. Whoever is even managing this, the SEC, whoever it even is. Because again, there is really no real clear distinction on who the market manipulator is. The big people are probably saying, oh, the Reddit guys are manipulating the market by, driving the stock price up. Some people are saying, oh, the short squeeze shouldn't be allowed. But that doesn't make sense, because a short squeeze is something that is possible whether there is normal market conditions or non-normal market conditions. And again, with that being said, it really doesn't make sense as to how this is even allowed. I'm hearing that there's going to be a lot of lawsuits against Robinhood and against all these other people. But again, I don't think it's actually Robinhood that is behind this. I think it's someone above Robinhood. I think they're called Apex or something like that, and pretty much they are the ones who are halting trading on multiple different brokerages and accounts. So again, with that being said, with AMC, I can personally see this stock going up when and if they just allow the stock to be traded how it was yesterday or 2 days ago. Other than that, I don't think the stock, there is no possible way for the stock to go up. If you can only sell the stock, or a majority of people can only sell the stock, what's really going to happen? I made a video saying, this stock could potentially go to $50, but honestly, now I don't even see, again, at current market conditions, that's definitely not happening. What I could see happening is perhaps tomorrow before the market opens, the stock will rise up a bit, and hopefully tomorrow the trading, Lord knows what's going to happen within the next few hours until tomorrow's market open, but maybe when the market does open again, people will be allowed to trade it, and I can maybe see it hitting 25, but I think that's if there's no halts, if nothing crazy happens, if people are able to trade the stock like how they were, again, I can easily see this just continuing to get pumped and pumped and pumped, blasting off to the moon, like to infinity and beyond. But again, me personally, I did buy one baby share just for the sake of it, just for the memes. If you want to, just tag along for entertainment purposes, totally cool. But again, remember, this is pretty risky. Again, it is only at $8 right now. Right now at after hours it's at $8.60. So I mean, like, even if you just buy one share for the memes, like, it's $8. Again, please be careful with what's going on in the markets right now, because you don't want to have a bunch of money tied up, because a lot of people actually commented on my Robinhood video, and they said, hey, they bought a bunch of shares, but they weren't able to do anything with it due to the fact that Robinhood was literally down. So again, be very careful. Remember, you really don't want to have a lot of money tied up in these. Again, this is pretty much like gambling at this point. That's how I'm looking at it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. My name is Radies. Like I said, if you're new around here, please consider subscribing. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button. 2K subs, let's give me to 2K subs. Hit that notification bell and make sure you stay seeking success. I'll see you guys all later.